Welcome to Page Setter 11 and 12. The today topic is relation. Relation, the part 2. Already we have gone through the relation. There are many relations which we know, the brother, sister. This all the relation we are aware of that. So I will not waste the time to explain the relation. Correct? So we will straightway start with the examples. The example 1. We'll see the example. Suppose the if A is given, A is equal to the A, B, C and D, correct? And the other set, the B is given is equal to the PQRS, the P, Q, R and the S, correct? There are two sets are there. Then which of the following are the relation from A to B, A to the B, correct? The question is then then which of the following the relation are a relation, correct, from A to B, correct, A to B. Give reason for your answer. Give a reason for your answer, correct. They have given the relation R1 is a relation from A to B, that start from the elements are the A and the P. The next relation is a B and R, the B and R, correct. The third relation they have given C and S, C and S. The next question they have given the R2. The R2 is another relation which they have given. They are QB, QB, the CS and next is DR, correct? DR, they are the element. The third question they have given is R3. The R3 is a relation. We saw that it is a AP, AP, the AQ, the DP, DP, the CR and the BR, correct? The BR. The fourth is a relation. The fourth is a relation R4. Is a relation between the AP, then QA, that is a QA. The another is a VS and the SB, correct? These all are the four different type of the relations are there. Then we have to find out the what kinds of the relation is there. We will see the first answer we find is the solution. The first we find that the R1 is the subset of Cartesian A into the B, correct? So R1 is a relation. The R1 has a relation from A to B, correct? The A to B, it has got the relation from A to B because we find that A is related to the P, the B is related to R and C is related to the S, correct? So we find that here all the three has got the relation with the B. So we say the R has the relation from A to the B. The next, the second question. In the second question, we find that the QB. We find that the QB The QB is the element of the R, correct? The QB is the element of the R, but QB is not the element of the Cartesian product A and B, because if the Cartesian product has to be A into B, the A element A, B, C, D out of 4, one has to be the first. Here we find that the Q is a first, means it can be the element of the B into A, it cannot be the element of the Cartesian product A into the B, correct? A into the B. Thus, thus we can say, thus what we can say, R2 is not a relation, correct? A relation from A to B, correct? A to B. The third question, the third is a third, the R3. R3 is the subset of, we can find A into B, correct? The A into the B. The R3 is a subset of A into B. So it is a relation. So we can say the R3 A, B and C and the B, correct? So it is a subset of the Cartesian product A and B. So we can say, the R3 is a, R3 has a relation. R3 has relation from A to B. Understood? The fourth. Next is the fourth. We have to write fourth. Okay. We'll see the fourth question. The fourth answer is the fourth one. The fourth answer. Say, the R4 is R4 has R4 is not having a relation from A to B, because can be find, because can you see the Q A, the QA and SB, QA and SB are the element of R4, but they are not the element of A into B, correct? A into B, correct? So we say the it is a not having the relation from the A to B, correct? These are the example by which you should be able to solve the question of the next, correct? The next exercise, that is I think 2.2. Now, how to represent? The question comes, you know the relation, but how to represent a relation? A representation of a relation, representation of relation. There are many ways are there by which we can see the relation. Next, the first is a roster form. The first way of representing the relation is a roster way, correct? That is a roster form. We all are aware what is the roster form. In the roster form, we have, suppose if we have the set A is there, correct? The in the set A, we have the members or the element, that is a -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2, correct? And we have the set B. The set B has got the member or the element of 0, 1, 4, 9 and the 10, correct? Then as you know, by the rule of the this one, the A must be equal to the B, correct? So the it should be the rule, the it should be A is related to B, correct? The A square should be related to B. So the R, how we will write? The R we can write, it is a 0, 0 we can write. The -2, the R, the -1 into the 1, -1 into the 1, and the 2 and the 4. These all are relation, correct? So we can write it, correct? So these all are has got a relation. This the form, the numbers wise we are writing, this is in the set, the roster form, correct? In the roster form. The second we can say it is a set builder form. Set builder form. In the set builder form, we are writing the such things are there. Suppose if there is a relation, we have the relation from A to B. We have the relation from A to B, that is a 1 1. Then we have the 2.5, like that, and the 3 and the this one, the 4 and the 1 by 4, and the 5 and the 1 by 5. These all are the elements of the relation. So how to write into the set builder form? In the set builder form we write R is has a relation that where the A and B are the elements, such that the A is the element of A, the B is the element of the B, and the B is equal to 1 by A, because can you see the B is equal to the 1 by A, correct? So that become the set builder form, correct? This is the set. The third way of writing, third way of the writing the relation is a by arrow program. That is a by arrow, by arrow diagram, by arrow diagram. In this, we are using, suppose we have the example set A. The set A has got the element is a 1, 2 and the 3. We have the another set B. The B has got the element of the 2, 3, 4. 2, 3 and the 4. Correct? Then if suppose the relation can be the different way also. If there is a relation is having where the elements are 1, 2, then that is a 2 and 3, and next is a 3 and 4, and next is a 3 and 3, correct? This, suppose this is the relation between the set A and the set B. So this is the arrow. By how we can show in the arrows, that we can say like this: it will be a set A and it is a set B, correct? Then we have the 1, 2 and the 3, correct? The 1, 2 and 3, and here we have the 2, 3 and the 4. We can see the 1 is related to the 2. So we will see the 1 is related to 2. Then we say the 2 is related to 3. The 2 is related to 3. 3 is related to 4. 3 is related to 4. We can say the 3 is related to 3. 3 is related to 3. This is called the arrow diagram, by which we can explain or express the relation. The one more way is there, that is called the bilattice. Bilattice, correct? The bilattice. The fourth way of representation of the relation is by lattice. By lattice. By lattice. It's nothing, just drawing in the XY plane. Correct? Showing, it is nothing but showing the coordinates. Coordinates in the XY plane. Correct? XY, the plane. That's all. So what is that? Suppose if we have the relation of the two set is given, such that they have given that 2, 4 is there, correct? 2, 4, the one, the set A, okay, and the next is the 1, 4, correct? They are the relation of set A. The set A is given is a 1, 2, and the set B is given is equal to 3 and 4, correct? We have the set A and B which is related to the set A to B is this is the another set, correct? The another R is related to the set A and B. Then in the bilattice, what we will do it? We will draw the x and y axis. Correct? This is called the y and the y dash. Correct? The x and the x dash origin. Correct? We will take the 1, 2, 3 and the 4. Correct? Maximum we are going the 4. Correct? So we will take it. Minus 1, the minus 2, the minus 3, minus 4. Here also we will say the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4. Correct? The 1, 2, 3 and the 4. This become the minus 1, minus 2, the minus 3 and minus 4. This is a rough diagram I am drawing. You should use the graph paper for that. So here you can find it is a 1, 4. The 1 is a called the x coordinate. Correct? The abscissa or the x coordinate will go to the 1 and next is a y. Will go to the y. This become the 1, 3. Correct? This is a 1, 3. The next is the 2 and the 4. We will go to the 2. Next we will go to the 2 and the 4. Correct? 2 and 4. Remember gentlemen, this is like a coordinate. The 2 is a abscissa or the x coordinate and y is a 4. The next is a 1 and the 4. So we will go the 1 and next we will go to the 4. Correct? So this become the 1, the 4. Understood? This is the way you can draw it. Correct? This is called the bilattice way. Lattice way. You all understood how to represent the relation in the different ways. Correct? All the 4 ways we understood. Now we will see the domain and the range of the relation. Domain and range. Range of relation. Correct? Domain and range of relation. Correct? Domain and range of the relation. Let R be the relation from the set A to B. Then the set of all the first element of the order pair belongs to the R is called the domain. Correct? How to define the domain and the range of the let R be the relation. R be the relation from set A to set B. Correct? R be the relation from set A to set B. Correct? Set B. Then the set of all the element of set A. All the element of the set B, element of the ordered pair belong to, okay, all the elements okay, then the set of all first element of the ordered pairs belong to R is called domain of R, while the set of all second element of the ordered pair belong to set B. Belong to not set B, belong to range, belong to relation, belong to R is called the range of R. Range of the R. Correct? We'll give the example. You can understand by the example. Suppose example, with the example it will be much more clear. A is a set which has got the element of the 1, 3, 5 and the 7. Correct? and we have the element, we have the another set which has got the 2, 4, 6, 8 and the 10, correct? Then and the R can be, the R is a relation from set A to B is equal to, that is the 1, the 2, that relation is the 1 and 1 and 8, correct? The next is 3 and the 6. The next is a 5 and the 2, and next is a 1 and 4. There will be comma in between all the elements, correct? 1 and 4, correct? The B a relation from A to B. Then you have to find out the domain and the range, correct? You have to find the domain and the range. The relation is given, everything is given. What will be the domain? The domain of relation, it will be equal to the, can I find out in that the first one of the ordered pair, this is called the ordered pair. The 1, 3, 5 and 1 is there, 1 is a repetition, so we say the 1, 3, 5, that is the set A, is called the domain. So it is a 1, 3 and the 5, correct? And the second part of the order, that is 8, 6, 2 and 4, the 8, 6, 2 and 4, can you see the 2, 4, 6, 8? So the range will be range of R. Range of R will be, that is your, the 8, 6, 2 and 4. I think you understood, correct? So the set A, whatever the elements are there, that is said to be the domain of the range, and the element of the B will be said to be the range of the relation, correct? So I think you have understood this. Now a relation of the sets. A relation, the next is a relation on a set. How there is a relation? The relation on set. A relation on a set. A relation on a set. Let A be a non-word set, then a relation from A to itself is a subset, and A what is called a relation on the subset, correct? Suppose let A be a non-word set, correct? A be a non-word set, then the a relation from A, from set A to itself, because there is no another set. So relation from the set A to itself, that you can say a subset of, that you can say it is a subset of A into A is called the relation, is called a relation on set A, correct? This is the simple thing. If you have any of the non-word set, means it is not a empty set, and you don't have the any other set, then a relation from the set A to itself, the whatever the set is given is a subset of the A into the A, correct? It's a subset of the A into the A, is called a relation on A, the set A. Now we'll see the another term. What is another term? That is a inverse of a relation. The inverse of a relation. What is the inverse of a relation? Correct? The latest set AB between the two set has got the relation from set A. The inverse of the R is denoted by the let set A and B, set B are having a relation, the R, correct? The R, correct? Then the inverse of the R is the relation from the set, okay? The R, this relation R is from set A to set B. Correct? If I say the what is the relation? The relation from the set B to set A will be called inverse of a relation. What is that? Inverse, ulta. Inverse of a relation. Correct? Inverse of a relation. This will be called the inverse of the relation, and it will be denoted by the R inverse. Correct? Denoted by the R inverse. Understood? This is called the R inverse. Correct? So, suppose the AB is the element of the R. Correct? Then you should understand that the BA is the ordered pair is going to be opposite. AB will change into the BA will be the element of the R inverse. Correct? That is the difference. You require to change the order pair, the sequence that becomes the inverse of the relation. Understood? Next we will see the how to find the number of the subset. The number of the subset. Suppose the number of the subset, if the n a is a set whose number is a p, and the n the another set is the b whose number of the element is a q. Correct? The number of the element is a q. Then the number of the subset how much? Then the number of subset will be equal to will be the subset of the number of the subset of a into the b will be equal to the p into q. Correct? Remember, p and q are the number of the element, where the p and q are the element of set A and B. Understood? Correct? So the number of the this become the formula. So this become the number of that. Yeah, you can calculate it. Correct? The example also you can see the example. What can be the example? The example, suppose set A is equal to, suppose, the 1, 2 and the 3. Correct? The another set B is, suppose it is the 4 and the 5. Correct? Then A into the B will be the A Cartesian product A, and it will be order of the 1 4. Correct? Then it will be the 2 4. Correct? 2 5. The it will be of the 3 5. The it will be the 1 4, the 1 5. It can have the different type of relation. Correct? The 1 5. The next can be the 1 5. The 2 4 and the 2 5. 2 5 2 4. The 2 4 is left. Correct? Then 3 4. 3 4 we have written. 3 5 we have written. So 3 4 is left. How many are there? Can we check it? The 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Number of element. The number of the element is equal to 3. The number of the element of the B is equal to 2. So the total number of the subset of number of subset of A into B is equal to the 2 in 3 into the 2 is equal to 6. You can count 1 2 3 4 5 and the 6. Correct? You can find out. Next, again it can be asked total number of a relation. The total number of relation from A to B can be found out from A to B can be found out with the formula 2 to the power that the q into the p into the q. Correct? P into the q, where the p and q are the number of the element of the respective set A and the B. The next, Next we will see they have given the figures. We will see the two more examples. The two more examples we will see they have given the figure, the P and Q are the sets. They have given the P and the Q. The P and the Q are the two sets where the element or the members are the 5, 6, 7 and the 3, the 4 and the 5. Correct? The 4 and the 5. Correct? They are related. 5 is related 3, 6 is related 4 and 7 is related to the correct. Then we have to write what they are asking. The P and Q are the set. Two are the set. Relation is such that then you have to write this all the relation. Relation. Find the relation. No, write the relation. Question is write the relation between set P and Q. P and Q. Set P and Q. Correct. First question. First question in the set builder form. In the set builder form. In the set builder form. Correct. The first question. The form. The second they ask write it into the second they are asking in the roster form. In the roster, correct? Roster form. Another also find domain and range, correct? Domain and the range, correct? So we can easily find out the first answer in the set builder, in the set builder form we are going to write. How we will write it? It is a the set builder form will write the R is a relation they have, that is a 5 and the okay, in the set builder form we will write the xy. The xy is the element, xy is the element where we will say the y is equal to x minus 2, the x minus 2 and the x is equal to where the x is equal to 5, 6 and the 7 is there, correct? So they are written into the set builder form. We can say the x, y is there and this x, y, the y is equal to the x minus the 2. Can you see? If you take the x as a 5, then you can say the 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. The 6 minus 2 is equal to the 4. The 7 minus 2 is equal to the 5. So we can say the y is always the y. If you take the x and y as the element, x is the element of the P and the Q is the element that y is the element of this one. We find the relation. What is that? All the Q elements which is related to the 1 to 1 is a 2 lesser. So the y is equal to x minus 2 and x is equal to if the x is equal to the 5, 6, 7. Correct? It is going to satisfy. Can you see now? X minus 2. The 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. The 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. And the next is a roster form. In the roster form, we can write the relation is in the form of, that is a, we can write the 5 is related to 3, correct? The next we see the 6 is related to 4 and we can see the 7 is related to the 5, correct? So this becomes the in the roster form. Then next come the what is a domain. The domain will be the 5, 6, 7. In the all this we can say the 5, 6 and the 7. The first element of the order form, the pair of the form become the domain. So the 5, 6 and the 7 will be the domain. And the range of relation R will be equal to, that will be the 3, 4 and the 5, correct? So this answer you understood. You can easily find out, you can the 2.2 the syllabus, the chapter, you can easily find out the domain and the range. The one more example we will see. The one more example is that suppose they are asking you determine the domain and range of the relation. What they ask? Determine the domain. Determine the domain and relation, domain and range of the relation R. R defined by the R is defined by R is equal to the X. So one element is X, another is a X plus of 5. Understood? X plus 5. Such that the X is the element of the 0, the 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. Correct? So close. Correct? Close. Then the solution. How to find the solution? Very easy. If the X is this one, what is the relation between the X and Y? We find that this is, if we are taking the Y, this is X, the relation is it is a 5 more than that. Each value we will put it. Correct? So now we will take, how we will take? We will take like that. They are given R is equal to the X plus 5, such that X is the element of the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. X is the element of the such, X is the element of this one. Correct? Understood? So we will take, what we will take? Let suppose, let AB be the element, the AB be the element such that the A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. Correct? The 4 and the 5. Then what will happen? If the A is equal to X, then B is equal to X plus 5. Correct? A and B are the element of the respective. Then A will become X and B will be the X plus 5. We'll put all the values of that. Correct? Like if we put the 0, then B will be the 5. Correct? So if we say, example, we will say that if we take the A is equal to X is equal to 0, then the B will be the 0 plus 5 is equal to the 5. Correct? So 0 and 5 will be the one pair. Correct? The ordered pair. Understood? Understood? The for all for all the values of. So we have seen that in the example, the letter AB, where the A is equal air is equal to the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If the A is equal to X and B is equal to X plus 5, we know that for all the values of the A, that is starting from the 0 to 5, the B will be corresponding to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the 10. I have done it also, one I have found out. Correct? So you can see the how to find out. Then the domain of the R will be the all the first one. Correct? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And the range of the R will be the 5, 6, 7. In the second part of that. Correct? Will be the range of this one. Gentlemen, I think you should be able to do the next exercise. Thank you very much. Today I am concluding the part 2. Please wait for the function, that is the part 3. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe, like and pass the comment. You tell your friends also to must see the Pace Setter 11 and 12th. Thank you and Jai Hind.